No rubber, no pin. It's just your material and you are done tying this style. So let's get into it. Let me take you through it in just 2 minutes. Now this is a yard Ankara material. We're going to be placing directly like this, the way I displayed on the screen. Grab the two edges first. Now bring the one from the back, direct it forward, put it in. Now knot it once, not too firm, like this. Yeah, this one is coming here from the front, is going to the back where you knotted. That's why I said not too firm. I'm going to be directing it there, dipping the excess here into the knotted part, and there should be a hole at the side. We're going to pull the excess fabric out from this side. Once it is being pulled out, we're going to go to the side and keep those flap at the side. See, I'm still here trying to pull out the excess, so take your time and be careful. So I already pulled out the excess, and this is the excess, right? Now let's go to the side and keep what we have there before we make our final design at the front. So these are the flap here. We're going to find a way to secure it at the side, at the back, whichever way. So after securing, we're going to come back to the front and make adjustment to that. So you're going to use your hand to stretch the fabric to the side. Just use your hand to play around it, be creative with it. So when you get a puffy look like this, you have the little one at the side, so you're just gonna use your hand to take it round from like a rounded shape. Now grab a pin and secure it with your pin. Use your hand to touch it until you are satisfied. So it's as simple as that. You just make yourself a simple Ankara head wrap. So subscribe to this channel for more simple head wrap like this. Do share this video, leave a comment, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you on my next one.